Okay, got another one here from Redeye. LSH. I believe, let's see, I was told that was Laird Security Hardware, I believe, is what they said. If I'm wrong, just leave it in the comments, but lock works real smooth. It is locked up. I'm not sure if this is a challenge lock or not. There's the bitting. Nothing too drastic. It's a 6-pin. Go to the back here. Okay, got a little turn. I believe it was 2. And open on, I believe that was 6, I believe. Might have been 5, but I believe it was on 6. So, I'd be surprised if it's not all standard pins. It popped way too easy. Okay, so we do have the key. We lock it up. I got a few locks that I need to pass on. If anyone's interested, give me a shout. Most of them are challenge locks. Okay. Key pins work. That's 1, 2. Whoop. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna make these grooves a little deeper on my board. Nothing looks like it's been done to the core. Okay. 1 standard. 2 standard. 3 standard. 4 standard. 5 standard. And I guess we all can guess 6 Yeah. It's standard too. And the pins. And I'll go ahead and look, but nothing's been done to the Bible. Okay, here's the pins. They're all standard pins for this LSH, Laird Security Hardware, I believe. Okay guys, be safe, be good, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and as usual, have a good one. Thanks.